What's up, guys? Roro back again with another video. So, as I can see, I got another piece for my Platinum clone build that I got going on. So, let me do a little walk around on my truck for the ones that haven't seen the progress on my videos. So, there's my truck right here. It's 23 F150 4x4 5.0, of course. But there's my build, how I currently have it sitting. Car hood with the platinum lettering, platinum headlights. It's a Ken Ranch grill, but it's technically the same as the platinum grill. But the only reason I have this one instead of the platinum was because I don't like how the platinum has the brushed outside of plastic. I like the Ken Ranch because it has the chrome, and I have the chrome on red look going on because me personally, I like having chrome. So this is how my truck currently sits like. Basically the whole platinum front end. The caps. The only thing I'm missing is the platinum. Sorry for the truck. The only thing I'm missing is the platinum side emblems, but I haven't been able to find some good ones. And I'm not gonna overpay for some emblems. So that's the only reason I still have these, the Lobo Lariat. But that should be about the only thing missing on the outside, as in having platinum parts on the outside. Well, that, and I still need I still need to get the little piece that goes right here in the bottom, the chrome one. So that's one thing I'm missing. But let me show you again. As I can see, this is the tailgate piece that goes in the back of the tailgate. And good thing I was able to get a hold of it for very, very cheap, just because of this little nick that it has right here. But that's nothing, to be honest. But these usually do go clipped on the original tailgate. But since I have the base model one, I will have to either cut my tailgate and make holes for it, or I can just double-sided tape it. And the previous owner did have it double-sided taped for a while, and it held up good because I know him personally. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm gonna do too. So
pretty good on there since it's been there for a while. It's already old.
So I took off the most I could. You can see it still has a little bit, just little spots, but I hit it with some glue gun so it can take off the residue, like the glue. You can see the big old ball it had of double-sided tape. It was a lot, to be honest. It took a while. My fingers hurt from trying to take it off. I tried to use the screwdriver, but it was still tough with that. But yeah, this is the most I could. So now I'm gonna start laying down the tape all the way across. Probably I'm gonna do a big piece right here, stop, another one, stop, another one, and that's how it's gonna go. As you can see, I have already laid down all the double-sided tape. It has three stacks of double-sided tape, so they get stacked up together. I did 3 since it is kind of thin, and so it could be even with the edge, so it can grab on good. I could have done 2, but I would have risked it if it wouldn't fit. If I just left 2 and I tried to mount it with just the 2 stacks, and it didn't grab on that good, it would take off the glue of the actual tape. So I used the 3, and it does look better. It looks more even with the actual plaque. So I'm pretty sure like this is gonna sit and mount up good. So yeah, right now I'm gonna see if I'm able to put it on by myself. If not, I'm gonna have to go with my homeboy real quick. But I mean, you can see I did a good amount all around, so it can grab on good. So we don't want this thing to fly off or anything like that. So yeah, let me put it on. And this is how it ended up looking like. You can see. Man, it really does look good. And then I have the 3-piece window as well, as you can see. The 3-piece window.
Dinero fácil no existe, es una frase inventada. Para ganar siempre es difícil, las cosas no son regaladas, por más que no